emerging markets and technologies. Wei, the floor is yours.
Thank you. Thank you for the introduction. Thank you for having me here. So I'm Wei. I'm leading the global AI emerging technologies at NVIDIA. You're probably thinking, NVIDIA, is that the gaming company? I want to bust a myth and start my talk today with a short video.
I am a creator. Blending art and technology. To immerse our senses. I am a healer, helping us take the next step and see what's possible.
Wow. Can you really see? Yes. Oh, wow.
I am a pioneer, finding life-saving answers. And pushing the edge to the outer limits. I am a guardian, defending our oceans.
Roger that, flyby inbound.
And the magnificent creatures that call them home. I am a protector, helping the earth breathe easier. And watching over it for generations to come. I am a storyteller, giving emotion to words and bringing them to life. I am even the composer of the music. I am AI, brought to life by NVIDIA, deep learning, and brilliant minds everywhere.
Some of this might be surprising, but frankly, NVIDIA is all about AI. NVIDIA started its journey with computer graphics back in 1993. At its core, we all know that computer graphics is all about the simulation, using mathematics and computer science to simulate the interaction of objects, light, material. 2 years after that, NVIDIA launched the first graphics card. The card was capable of handling both 2D and 3D video, along with audio processing capability. 1999 was a milestone for NVIDIA. That was the year that NVIDIA invented the graphics processing unit, the GPU we know as of today. It's a single-chip processor with integrated transforming, lightning, clipping, and rendering engines. Between 1999 to 2000, computer scientists, along with other researchers, started to use GPU to accelerate a range of different scientific applications. This movement was called GPGPU, or general purpose GPU computing. However, at that time, GPU required the use of graphics programming language like OpenCL to program the GPU. Developers have to make their scientific applications look like graphics applications and map them into the problem that actually draws triangles or polygons. This limited the access of the tremendous performance of GPU for scientists. So NVIDIA realized the huge potential there. They began to bring performance to the larger scientific communities and invested in modifying the GPU to make it fully programmable. So NVIDIA added programming language support to GPUs. At that time, it supports different programming language like C, C++, Fortran. In 2006, NVIDIA created CUDA programming model. CUDA stands for Compute Unified Device Architecture. CUDA and the latest GPU platform bring parallel processing to general purpose computing. This basically redefined the computing. Now, the path of high performance computing and artificial intelligence innovation began to converge. In 2009, AI pioneers at Stanford University realized that GPU chips could run neural networks in parallel. The discovery unlocked new possibilities for neural networks. Traditionally, if you want to train a neural network model with 100 million parameters, traditional processor required several weeks to calculate all the cascading possibilities. However, with a cluster of GPU, this could be accomplished in one single day. Now, NVIDIA GPUs are used in the embedded systems like NVIDIA's Jetson family of devices, powering up applications like autonomous systems, drones, to laptops, workstations, supercomputers, and the cloud. All the major cloud service providers, including AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Service, are using NVIDIA GPUs. Basically, every step of your machine learning workflow, from model training to model deployment, can be accelerated by NVIDIA GPUs. Now, neural networks running on NVIDIA GPUs supporting different AI solutions. For example, Facebook using NVIDIA GPU-based solution to identify your friends in photos. Netflix is also using NVIDIA GPU-powered solution to make reliable recommendations to its 200 million subscribers. NVIDIA not only created GPU, NVIDIA created systems, libraries, developer SDKs for full end-to-end machine learning workflow. On top of the GPUs and CUDA, at the platform layer, NVIDIA also offered GPU-accelerated inference engine, TensorRT. For transfer learning capability, you can use NVIDIA's Tau toolkit for computer vision and natural language processing model training. Inference serving tool, Triton Inference Server, can help you hide the hardware complexity and orchestrate your model. So it doesn't matter if you train your machine learning model with TensorFlow or PyTorch, run it on a CPU or GPU or embedded device. Triton help you scale up and scale out. NVIDIA also offers GPU-accelerated SDKs that accelerate the development of the most challenging AI applications. For example, DeepStream SDK can be used for intelligent video analytics applications. Exact SDK is designed for robotics application development. Riva for conversational AI, Maxine for recommender system, and the latest Omniverse for multiple GPU real-time 3D simulation and collaboration. All these popular AI applications are powered by NVIDIA GPUs and SDKs. So now let's take a look of some of the most exciting applications. Digiduca is a Kenyan-based fintech company. It brings small retailers into the digital economy by enabling them to sell their inventory online. Retailers can use Digiduca's mobile application to collect money and bank payments without transaction fees. Their mobile app also provides the product feed capability that allows retailers to advertise their inventory online. Digiduca Bot also delivers customer experience, customer service through AI-enabled digital bot. So all these product feed features and AI-powered digital bot features we're talking about are leveraging NVIDIA GPU. So they use NVIDIA GPU to train their machine learning model for this specific Digiduca app. Let's move on to talk about another major economy activity in Africa, beekeeping. In Kenya alone, there are over 90,000 bee farms. However, parasite infection, rodent invasion, and even beehive haste are causing 1.9 billion annual losses in local currency. Bee farms are normally located at remote locations, so farmers cannot rely on wired solution to respond to this instance. In this solution, sensors and cameras are linked to an NVIDIA GPU-powered embedded device. They could collect data such as weight, humidity, temperature, bee population in order to assess hive health. TensorRT optimized computer vision algorithm run locally on the device, which help quickly identify infected bees. If anomalies are detected, the system can alert beekeepers, and they can act quickly to safeguard their colonies. Now, let's move our eyes to another technology, life science. Genomic sequencing is the process of identifying the DNA sequence of anything biological, including animal, food, water, plant, air. It's an important step toward better scientific understanding. Minion is a rapid analysis device for nanopore DNA sequencing. Again, it's powered by NVIDIA GPU on the embedded device. It enables real-time, high-throughput data analysis without cloud connectivity requirement. As Minion is the only portable real-time device for DNA and RNA sequencing, scientists can use it at any location to test crops, animals, drinking water for early detection or prevention of disease. It helps immediate diagnose of devastating plant disease in Africa, increased plant yields, and saved lives. The Minion system can also be used for on-site testing for viruses such as Zika to prevent the spread of infectious disease. All these are very exciting. And what's more exciting is you can get started with NVIDIA technologies today. Join NVIDIA Developer Program to connect with millions of developers. NVIDIA Deep Learning Institute offers self-paced workshops and instructor-led workshops to help guide you through the initial learning curve. So if you want to become a Jetson ambassador or Deep Learning Institute ambassador, NVIDIA also offers certification opportunities. Of course, don't forget to check out our developer community projects. I'm sure you will be inspired by your fellow developers. Early this year, NVIDIA launched the Emerging Chapters program to empower the developers in emerging countries with the latest AI knowledge and scale. The program provides technical enablement, education opportunities to developer communities in emerging markets and emerging technologies. So it doesn't matter if you are a developer who is trying to connect with other developers or community leads who want to collaborate with NVIDIA. Find out more information on our program landing page, developer.nvidia.com/emerging chapters. If you want to get started with NVIDIA technologies, we have 2 hands-on instructor-led workshops scheduled for tomorrow at the AMLD conference. Dr. Hammery will run a workshop on the fundamentals of deep learning. Dr. Manel will guide you through Rapids. Rapids is a Python programming language. By using pandas, scikit-learn like Python APIs, you will be able to leverage the parallel computing power enabled by NVIDIA GPUs and accelerate your data manipulation, model training on GPU clusters. I want to invite you to join NVIDIA GPU Technology Conference, which will take place between November 8th to November 11th. We have curated a very compelling agenda for audience from the Africa continent. I'm looking forward to seeing you there. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Wei. And thanks for mentioning the workshops that NVIDIA are offering tomorrow. We also have a couple other workshops actually from Google and Amazon Web Services. We have a question regarding the outreach of NVIDIA in Africa. How can we make, how can we give actually more access to African developers and machine learning engineers into NVIDIA systems, and how can we make it more affordable?
That's a very good question. So you can see it from my background. Like I said, we launched the Emerging Chapters program in order to engage with developers who have been underrepresented. So as part of this Emerging Chapter program, we're enabling developer communities across the continent with Deep Learning Institute vouchers. So basically, our members will be able to take these courses for free. We gift them with hardwares so they can develop applications on NVIDIA GPUs. Also, we host like monthly education series to give them the opportunity to meet face-to-face with NVIDIA subject experts. Of course, co-marketing opportunities. Like GTC, we invited our communities to present in the GTC conference. For your reference, GTC Spring, which we hosted early this year, attracted 200,000 attendees globally.
Wow.
So that's the marketing machine we can leverage to help you promote your community and your solutions.